Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Mazda CX-5 rear wiper. First, gather your new wiper blade and a small flathead screwdriver. Make sure your vehicle is safely parked with the ignition off. Now, gently lift the wiper arm away from the rear window. This provides clear access to the blade for removal. Taking these initial steps ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. You'll be ready to proceed in just a moment. With the wiper arm lifted, look closely at the point where the blade connects to the arm. You'll find a small tab or clip. Press this tab firmly, then slide the old wiper blade straight off the arm. It should detach with a gentle pull. Pay attention to how the old blade was oriented. This will help ensure your new blade is installed correctly. Discard the old blade responsibly. Now take your new wiper blade. Align its connector with the end of the wiper arm. Slide the new blade onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's firm. Once attached, carefully lower the entire wiper arm back down onto the rear window glass. Avoid letting it snap down, which could damage the window. Finally, double-check that your new wiper blade is securely attached and can move freely along the arm. It shouldn't feel loose or wobbly. For a quick test, spray a little water on your rear window and activate the wiper. Ensure it clears the water smoothly and quietly. Remember to replace your wiper blades every 6 to 12 months to maintain clear visibility and safety on the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.